The city of Pasadena and the Rose Bowl Operating Company have asked a Los Angeles County Superior Court judge to block UCLA from moving its home football games to any stadium other than the Rose Bowl and to prevent the university from ending a lease that runs through 2044. The filing comes after concerns that UCLA may be considering relocating to SoFi Stadium, home of the Rams and Chargers. Pasadena and the RBOC argue that UCLA's departure would cause harm that money alone cannot fix, citing the stadium's importance to the community, its identity, and ongoing operations. The lease contains a specific performance clause, meaning that if UCLA tries to leave, the proper remedy isn't just financial, it could require a court order to keep the team at the Rose Bowl. Historically, courts have enforced similar clauses to prevent teams from abandoning their home stadiums. Pasadena and the RBOC point to cases involving the New York Jets, Yankees, and Minnesota Twins, where judges granted injunctions to preserve lease commitments. These rulings emphasize that the civic, cultural, and community value of teams cannot be replaced by money alone, framing stadiums as essential parts of city identity. In their filing, Pasadena and the RBOC claim UCLA has confirmed its imminent departure and suggest a deal for SoFi Stadium could be nearly finalized. Without court intervention, they warn, scheduling and business operations would be disrupted, and the Rose Bowl brand and Pasadena's civic identity would be irreparably harmed. They argue no other tenant can replace UCLA and that losing the university's football program would erode public trust and community value in ways money cannot repair. The historical cases cited reinforced their argument. In 1977, the Jets were blocked from moving home games from Shea Stadium to New Jersey, with the court noting lost games would impact the city's lifeblood. In 1983, the Yankees were prevented from playing games outside New York, highlighting the team's symbolic and cultural significance. The Minnesota Twins were similarly required to stay in the Metrodome due to the public and civic value attached to their presence. The hearing is set for Wednesday morning, and the outcome could determine whether UCLA remains at the Rose Bowl or moves forward with relocation plans. The decision will not only affect the university and the stadium but could set a precedent for how long-term sports leases are enforced in the future. Pasadena and the RBOC are making a strong case that this is about more than football, it's about community, tradition, and identity.